Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to whitening your teeth on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, open your CapCut apps, and after this, in here you just click on the new project and then add the video that you want to edit. This one, click add at bottom. Now if you wanna edit your teeth on CapCut apps, it's so pretty simple. So you just click on the video, click on it, and after this at the menu you can swipe until you can see and change. This one you just click on it, and after this in here you just click on the face, and after this in here you just click on a white teeth. This one, click on it. And after this in here you can see you can swipe this button to left or right like this, and in here you can see the teeth has been changed. This one before after, before after, before after. And after this in here you just click on the check icon at the bottom. This one, you can see the teeth has been changed, the color teeth like this. This one before, sorry, this is the before, this is the after, this is the before, and this is the after. Okay, so that's how to whitening your teeth on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.